wanted a video on installing the RAM. So these parts should be taken out, like on the outward position. It'll click outward. You don't have to worry about it being snapped or anything. And with the direction, looks like the smaller edge is on the top part. So we're gonna go ahead and just line that up. There you go. And you'll see that this starts to move a little. You're just gonna press down gently, a little forcefully actually, until you hear that click on both sides. See, they both click, now it's secured in place. So I'm gonna grab the other one. It's facing the same way. The shorter side is on top. Try not to dirty it. Fresh out of the bag. I'm just gonna line that up with the other one. That one's a lot easier since you already know that one went in. And yeah, RAM sticks are installed. Easy as that.
Wake me up inside. Wake me